Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your country at the Adzuna application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to the more button at the bottom of the page on the right and click on change country, and here you can scroll up and down and just select your country. Just click on it, and then on the right side on the top of the page just click on save, and your country is selected. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.